You are smart. You make smart choices. You carry a smartphone. But what about your watch? Is it smart too? No. Hi, I'm Karan, and today I'm recommending this cool looking water resistant smartwatch, Realme Smartwatch. This watch has a large 3.5cm touchscreen which gives you a smooth and seamless experience. You can manage text notifications, calls, reminder, and even decline a call without taking out your phone every time. You can control music and camera on your phone as well. This smartwatch is a delight for fitness freaks and sports lovers. You can choose from 14 different sports modes and track your fitness routine. You can monitor your heart rate and your blood oxygen level and sync all your health data on the Realme Link app and view it on your phone. It comes with a 1-year warranty and has earned wonderful reviews, so order it right now at the Big Billion Days sale price only. Good music touches heart and soul. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you an amazing device which will transport you to a different world with its amazing bass sound. Boat Rockers 255F charging Bluetooth headset. This Boat headset has inline controls. You can change the volume, skip tracks, take calls, and also activate voice-controlled smartphone assistant. It has the IPX5 rating, which makes it resistant to water splashes and sweat. With a charge time of 2.5 hours, you can use this headset for 6 hours non-stop. This secure and sturdy headset is equipped with Bluetooth 4.1, which gives you an amazing connectivity always. This amazing headset is available in some amazing colors and has earned 4+ stars rating. Now you can move with the music with Boat Rockers 255F Bluetooth headset, which is available with some amazing offers. So order right now at the Big Billion Days sale price only. Do you ever have that feeling where your heart starts beating fast and you feel like you can't breathe anymore? No, my friend, you're not in love. You probably need to just check your oxygen level, and you can do it right at home. Hi guys, I'm Karan and I present you today Dr. Trust Pulse Oximeter. This is the best device you can use to measure your O2 saturation and monitor your SpO2 as well as your pulse rate. It also shows the perfusion index and has the plethysmogram. It is a light, compact and portable device and suitable for everyone. This amazing oximeter comes with a colored OLED display, alarm function, low battery indicator and automatic power off function. This quick and fast health device is so reliable that it has received rating of 4+ stars. Your health is now at your fingertips. So buy now Dr. Trust Pulse Oximeter. So order right now at the Big Billion Days sale price only. These days we live in a pretty sedentary lifestyle and it takes a huge toll on our overall health and physical well-being. Smart bands are a way to keep check on your lack of activity and stay fit. Hi, I'm Karan. And today I have for you this smart band which tracks health and fitness parameters. I am talking about the MI Band 4. This MI Smart Band comes with an attractive full-color AMOLED touchscreen display, along with a host of innovative features that covers swim tracking and stroke recognition. You can monitor your calls, read notifications, control the music and volume on this smart band. Its intuitive touch display lets you access continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep tracker, daily activity tracker and alarm. Just charge it fully at once and use it for 20 days. This smart band comes with a 1-year warranty and has earned itself 4+ star rating. With online classes and work from home becoming part of our lives now, everybody in the family needs smart gadgets. But we also need something which is affordable. Hi, I'm Karan and today I have this amazing gadget which is powerful and smart, just like you. Presenting Lenovo Tab M8. This tablet has a 20.32cm Full HD certified screen which does not strain your eyes even after prolonged use. It is equipped with an amazing 13-megapixel rear camera and 5-megapixel front camera which gives amazing pictures and video. With its full HD display and Dolby audio sound quality, watching movies and playing games will be a delightful experience. So if you have been on the lookout for something which is efficient and pocket friendly, this tablet is for you. It has a rating of 4.2 stars. Grab this tablet right away before the stocks run out. So order right now at the Big Billion Days sale price only.